Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Olivia Febrianti. I am from Robotics Engineering Class A. In this video, I will explain a tutorial to make design in this photo. First, we use top plane. After that, we click Sketch and choose the center rectangle. Next, we choose circle for the side rectangle. And we add another circle inside here. Next, smart dimension the rectangle with size 54.1 minus 9.53 mm. Here with size 31.8 mm. And here 19.1 mm. After that, we choose trim entity for a cut line in the middle of the circle. Next, click features and extrude base. Select this part with thickness 6,4 mm. And choose sketch and click extrude, and then select this part of the circle with thickness 12,7 mm. And then rotate view to see the front and side. Click this section and sketch. Add insert line. Next, we smart dimension with size 25,4 mm. Next, mirror entities the line about front plane. And then add center line with follow size the insert line. Add circle in the center line and another circle inside here. Smart dimension the circle with size 31,8 mm and the circle with size 15,9 mm. Next, we go into features and extrude. And then we select this part to extrude with size 9,53 mm. Okay, after that, rotate view and going to sketch, features, and extrude the circle with thickness 9,53 plus 11,2 mm. And then sketch this section. And we're going to the center line for the middle in this part. And then we add center rectangle and smart dimension with size 22,2 mm for the bottom and for the side with size 7,9 mm. And for the side and with the bottom lines size with 6,3 mm. Next, we're going to sketch fillet with size 0,8 mm for each side of this rectangle. Then we're going to feathers and extrude cut with a depth of 8 mm. Rotate view to see the side. Next, choose this section and sketch. To make the circle with size 3,45 mm. And smart dimension from the middle of circle until the bottom lines size 10,3 mm. And the middle of circle until the beside lines with size 3,2 mm. Next, we choose feathers and extrude cut. For the circle, we choose through all both. We can see the circle turning into a hole. Now we back to click front plane and we choose sketch. Then we're going to insert line for this section until this section. Okay, next we choose feathers and click grip for the line with size 6,4 mm. Okay. Okay, rotate view to see the top plane and we choose fillet with size 2,5 mm for this line in the middle of this section. Okay, after that we're going to fillet again for this line and this line with size 0,8 millimeter. And we back to top plane. And we sketch with the center line from the middle of circle. Now we're going to smart dimension to make a corner with size 45 degrees cause in here we can make a corner for 90 degrees. And we click exit sketch and we're going to features and reference geometry. We choose this plane and then we rotate view to C and we click the normal tool. Then we sketch and now we're going to center line and we're going to circle for this for in the middle in the center line. Now we smart dimension with size 7,87 millimeter. And for the circle with size 3,45 millimeter. Next, we're going to features and extrude cut, and then we choose up to next. Now we rotate view to see more clearly. And next we going to mirror and we choose the front plane. Now we rotate view again to see more clearly. You can rotate view if you want to see more clearly. And now we can change the color. I choose plastic and high gloss, and the colors we choose blue. As you can see, the design is done and the finish looks like this. Okay, I think that's all for me. Sorry if I have wrong, and thank you for your watching.